hello everyone. This is Ishika, our client. She has been working with us since more than 3 months now. And Ishika, would you please like to introduce yourself first?
Yeah, hi, I'm Ishika. I'm 24 years old. I'm currently in Melbourne and I've joined like a program online with you guys like since like 3 months ago, a bit more than 3 months ago.
Yeah.
And it's been like a completely different journey following their program and everything.
Mm,
And like it's been really educational
mm.
in terms of why am I doing
Yes.
for like in reversing my PCOS. And I thought that I'm like before when I used to go see the gynecologist and everything, they
Mhm.
couldn't like get into the root cause of solving my PCOS. Like if I had the medicines, it would like come back again.
Mhm.
But this was like I didn't know that even like through your basic like day to day lifestyle changes, you could actually completely go like back to how normally women should be in
Yeah.
terms of their period cycle.
Yeah, true. So, Ishika, would you please like to share like what challenges you were facing before joining this program, how you used to feel in your body, what symptoms you were going through, and what
Okay.
changed after joining, and how do you feel about it now?
So my major symptom was irregular period and chin hair.
Mm,
So I mean weight was not that big an issue. Like it was like okay moderately. Although following your routine, it actually reduced my weight as well. So it was like kind of benefit.
mhm,
um, but other than that, like my periods got like I had like an 8 months gap
mm,
in my previous period cycle.
yes.
But with this like it's almost like regulated now, like it's just
Mm,
like around 24 days this time that it delayed. And like
amazing.
it, from 8 months to 24 days, that's like quite a reduction in the
Gap
like
of the period
gap.
cycle. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that was like something. And in fact like it it was like after having like fruits and salad, it's more like a routine kind of thing that gets into
Mm-hmm.
my body, like okay, this is what I have to have. So this is like a different kind of like food cycle kind of thing, I'd say.
Mm-hmm.
So like previously I didn't used to have like fruits much, but now in fact I like having fruits. Like I do not have any
Amazing.
problem having fruits.
It's
So in the
really,
morning it's like fixed now that I have fruits, and then like before like meals salad. So it's like kind of become like my lifestyle only now. So it's good in
you feel
terms of
good?
that this yeah.
You feel good in your body? How do you feel in
Y-
yourself?
yeah, it's like I feel like cleaner or lighter, I'd say,
That's
in terms yeah, like following this. And in fact with the sugar, like I thought like before I didn't like sugar was like if you have it like with that sugar
yeah.
lemon water, it's like a good thing. Like normally if you see like it's everywhere, okay, sugar is this, sugar is that.
It was bad, yeah.
But then yeah, exactly. But like that's also like the educational kind of thing that okay, no, that's whatever, it's not like whatever information it's there out, it has to be right.
Yes, yes, very true, very so true. So glad to hear it, Ishika. So, would you like to share any message to the women out there who are already suffering and suffering more than what issues you faced actually? Do you have
Yeah,
any
yeah,
message?
because like yeah, like people out there have like greater symptoms than me with their weight issues and facial hair and all those stuff.
Yeah.
So I'd like to really tell them to join your program
Mm,
and like get the right information as to how you can actually, and this is a way to actually change. Like it's not only through medicines that you have to solve it. And in fact medicines are not even the part of the program. It's just like daily meals that
mm,
you're actually having, and you're getting to change your something that you're like suffering from a long time.
mm,
And you do not know whether like it's like more of a mental issue as well, because people start thinking okay, how will things work out and stuff. So
mm,
like this is something that I would like really recommend, and like they do it.
mm.
So that like it kind of brings happiness when you're actually getting your period cycle. So in terms of that also, it's like a great thing. So I think they should like really work like with you guys and uh, have their PCOS reversed, and like be able to get the knowledge that you guys also give us.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ishika, for being so kind and so honest with your answers.